Hi Savers, Chrissy here from CouponConfidants.com. I wanted to go over with you the Publix Purple Flyer Best Deals. Publix comes out with 2 flyers bi-weekly roughly. A purple one for health and beauty and a green one for groceries and food. This is the new health and beauty flyer, aka Purple Flyer. And I have the best deals for you, and I also have the full typed list. You will see this button right here that you can click on at the beginning of the post and at the end of the post. So let's get started. Febreze Air Effects are regular price $3.29. Now the best deal for you to do is go ahead and grab these now. Between now and November 6th or November 7th, depending on when your weekly sale cycle ends on Tuesday or Wednesday. You'll want to do that because the weekly sale cycle has a $3 auto deduction off when you buy 3. So the best scenario for this, to get them for 79 cents, is to go ahead and get them between now and November 6th or November 7th. What you will do is you will pick up 4 of them. You will get a $3 auto deduction. You will use 2 of the buy one get one free Febreze coupons from our Procter & Gamble insert. That is a maximum value of $3 off. And you will stack that with $1 off of 4 Publix flyer coupon. Now the Publix flyer coupons are available to print off of their website. You can do that by clicking here. Or you can go ahead and pick your flyers up inside of this store. That will make them 79 cents each. If you cannot make it to the store or you miss out by November 6th or November 7th when your sale cycle ends, you will pay $1.50 for each can doing the same deal. You just won't get that $3 auto deduction. Next up, we have Dawn dish soap. The big ones are on sale, 24 to 28 ounce. The 28 ounce in my store is $4.89. We have a stackable deal here, 50 cents off of 1 Dawn Dish Ultra in the Procter & Gamble October 28th. And you stack that with the $3 off of 2 Publix flyer coupons. So you will buy 2 of these. Use 2 of the P&G coupons and use 1 of the Purple Flyer coupons, and you will pay $2.89 each for the big ones. Gain Fabric Softener is regular price $4.99 for the 41 ounce. This is the 48 load bottle. You would go ahead and pick up 1 of these using the $2 off of 1 printable coupon or the $2 off of 1 Retail Me Not from October 14th coupon, and you will stack that with the Publix Purple Flyer $1 off of 1 coupon. That would leave you paying $1.99 each bottle. Herbal Essence Bio Renew. This is a good price for the Bio Renew, which is usually pricey. Regular price is almost $6. Bio Renew shampoo or conditioner, 13.5 ounce. You can pick up 2 of these and you will use the $3 off of 1 from the P&G October 28th insert and stack that with the $2 off of 1 Publix Purple Flyer coupon, making them $3.49 each. Scrubbing bubbles, a couple different scenarios you can do here. The higher one I wrote is for $1.76, and then I have a nice sweeter deal below. So these are all the available coupons that we have for scrubbing bubbles. As you can see down here, right here, what you want to do is use this buy 2, get 1 free Publix Purple Flyer coupon. What is free is the cleaning gel, and that regular price is $3.99 for the cleaning gel. The other 2 items you choose to buy just need to fall within these guidelines here. So we're talking the 1 count only cleaning gel, or the other products 1 to 12 count or 20 to 30 ounce. And this is going to exclude the toilet bowl cleaner, the 24 ounce. I believe that's $2.39, which of course if we could use this, it would make it an even sweeter deal, but we can't. So I wrote for the bathroom cleaning spray, and then I wrote for the fresh gels. So the best deal is to go ahead and buy 4, and you're going to use I'm sorry, 2 of them will be the gels and 2 will be the bathroom cleaners. You're going to use 2 50 cents off 1 insert coupon from SmartSource September 30th, and you're going to use $2 off of 1 coupons from that same insert. So these are the 2 coupons you're going to use right here, 2 of each because you're buying 4 items. You're going to use 1 of the purple flyer coupons because we are getting 4, and you can see right here the coupon is for 3. Then what you're going to do is you're going to redeem a rebate of $5 off when you buy 4 participating items, and that is this link right here. If you want, I will click it really quick. This is called Happy Thanksgathering, and if you come down here, you will see that you will get a $5 Visa prepaid card when you buy any 4 particular items. So you can just go ahead and click there, and I believe what's going to happen is you're going to have to submit your receipt. If you want, comment below, and maybe I will head to the store and grab a couple of these items. I'm going to be doing the Ziplocs, or maybe I'll mix and match. We'll see, but I think I'm going to do the Ziplocs. This is probably a 1 per household situation, but if you want to see it, maybe comment below and I'll go ahead and make a video on me doing it. So back to the deals. So you'll redeem that rebate. Your final price after everything is going to be 89 cents each, which is a great deal for items that are normally $3.79 and $3.99. If you don't want to do the rebate, just go ahead and pick up 3, 2 bathroom sprays and 1 cleaning gel, and you will use 50 cents off 1 coupon, $2 off 1 coupons, and the Publix flyer coupon you'll pay $1.76. ZzzQuil, regular price $9.29. Eeks. You will get a $3 stackable deal here, so you'll end up getting it for $6.29. What you'll want to do is pick up 1 of these. You'll use the $1 off of 1 Publix purple flyer. You will use $1 off of 1 P&G insert, and you will get a rebate from Ibotta of $1 off of 1. So that's $3 in savings, and your final price would be $6.29. Sparkle paper towels, the 6 giant rolls are on sale $5.49, and we have 2 hot $1.50 off of 1 coupons. If you don't have this insert coupon, I urge you to print this one quickly. Print it because it's going to disappear very fast. That's a high value coupon. So use 1 of these and you will pay $3.99 each for the big paper towels. This is the deal I was telling you about before. Ziploc brand sandwich, snack, or freezer bags, 10 to 40 count, are on sale for $2. And I am going to get mine for 25 cents each. What you will want to do is you will want to pick up 4, and you're going to use $2 off of 2 printable coupons. We have 2 different links right here for you. Then you're going to get the $5 prepaid Visa rebate when you submit it by clicking here. Your out-of-pocket price is $1.50 each, but your final price is going to be 25 cents each box, which is a fabulous deal. Cold Ease, we have the Plus Defense 12 count or the regular 18 count lozenges. Sale price is $4.49. I believe they're regularly about $6.09 in the store, so the sale price is $4.49. We have a high value $3 off of 1 insert coupon from Retail Me Not October 28th, making them $1.49 each. Benadryl Itch Stopping Cream, 1 ounce, regular price $4.19. And this is a stacked deal. You're going to use the $2.50 off of 1 Publix flyer coupon, and you will stack that with $1 off of 1 printable coupon. So you're going to get $3.50 off total, making them 69 cents each. Infants Advil, this is the ½ ounce box, regular price $5.39, and another stackable deal, $5 in savings. We have a $2 off of 1 Publix purple flyer deal coupon, and then we have a brand new $3 off of 1 high value printable. This is another one I urge you to print right away, as it will disappear fast. You will end up getting these for 39 cents each. And last but not least, Not Your Mother's Hair Care. This is amazing stuff. So the sale alone, there are no coupons out there, but knowing that you're going to get these products for 50% off is a great buy for me. So I included it in here. Specific products are on sale. I'm sorry, sizes and varieties are 50% off. So if this is what you use, it is a great time to go ahead and pick yours up. And like I stated before, the click here to see the complete list button is here. This is for you to see the full flyer. And if you want to see the other Publix best deals, you can click here. I do already have the super early weekly deals up. I had those up Friday night. Yay! So you can go ahead and click here if you want to get a head start to your savings schedule. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit like if you liked this video. And as always, I enjoy new subscriptions, so please subscribe. Have a great day, guys.